how to create a Game Pass and please donate on mobile. So if you want to create a Game Pass and please donate on your mobile, then what you need to do is first you just need simply open up your Roblox on your browser. So I'll just simply go with my Chrome browser, and here you need to search for create.roblox.com and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now you need to go with the three dots which is on the top right, and then make sure that you're on the desktop section. You need to go with the top left, which has that three horizontal lines, and then you need to just go with creations or make sure that you're on the dashboard section. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll get this kind of interface, right? So now you need to just simply go with my experiences, which is right here. Tap on it and then select your experience. Once you've selected, you'll find your place. You need to go with the top left, which is which again has the three horizontal lines. Go with the creations, select your place, go with the three horizontal lines again. And now you need to scroll down, and under monetization, you'll have passes option. You need to tap on passes, and now it will take you to this kind of interface. Now you need to just simply go with create a pass, tap on it, and then enter the name of your pass and add an image if you want to, and then add a description. Once you've added, you need to go with create pass. Now once you've created your pass, you need to again go with the top left, which has that three horizontal lines, and then again scroll down and again tap on passes. Now here you will have the pass that you've just created. Once you have the pass that you've created, you need to tap on the pass that you've just created and then scroll down, and here again go with the horizontal lines, which is here on the top left, and then you'll find the sales option. You need to tap on sales, go and turn on the item for sale button, and then enter the default price, and then go with save changes, which will be on the bottom. Once you've done creating the passes, or once you've done adding the price to the pass, now what you need to do is just simply go back and remove all of this, and then you need to open up your Roblox now. Make sure that you've logged into the same account in which you've created the passes earlier. Now you need to just go with the search which is on the top and then search for please donate. Once you've searched for please donate, you need to just go into the game, select the game which is right here. I'll select the first one and then go with play, which is on the bottom. Once you're in your game, walk up to an empty stand, then press and hold claim stand. Your new Game Pass should now appear automatically on your booth. Now you're all set to start receiving donations. Remember, Roblox has a 7-day pending period before your Robux are delivered. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.